Dear friends, I am Serge Bromberg from Lobster Films, and this is just a quick message to let you know that we've started a crowdfunding campaign in order to complete the funding of the restoration of the 32 silent short films produced by Buster Keaton. That includes the Arbuckle comedies from 1917 until 1919, and of course the 19 Buster Keaton solo comedies. We are trying to find all the best elements that survive on these films. We are going to scan them. We are going to do 2K wet gauge scanning, internegative on every single film. We're going to clean everything up, stabilization, cleanup. We're going to have new score thanks to very famous silent film musicians like Neil Brand, Stephen Horn, Donald Suzin, and so many others. 32 films, that's a lot. That's about 1 million frames. But we have started a year ago after 20 years of search. We've gone to all the major archives. We've gone to Eye Institute in Amsterdam. We've gone to London at BFI. We've gone to Denmark, to Gosfilmofound in Russia, to Cinémathèque Française. We've gone to the French archives. Everywhere possible, we've searched and we found the other version, the one that you don't know, of The Blacksmith. Thanks to Fernando Peña, who gave us a call and allowed the discovery. We have a new ending for My Wife's Relation. We have another ending. Did you know of another ending on Coney Island? We have new shots, we have new scenes on so many films, and the quality is so sharp, you won't believe your eyes. But to see that, we do need you. Please participate to our crowdfunding campaign. The price of the entire operation is about 500,000 euros. We are asking for 45,000 euros to have our crowdfunding campaign completed. That's less than 10% of the money we need, but if you want those films back the way they should be, then it's now. Act now. Kickstarter, Lobster Films. It's keaton.lobsterfilms.com, and believe me, you won't believe your eyes. We count on you. Thanks for your help, and for Buster Keaton, it's right now.